Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You can find the bulk ABS sensor used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Loosen the stud bolt on the front wheels. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stance. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising a vehicle safely before carrying out this step. To change the ABS sensor on your vehicle, you will have to remove the wheel to gain full access. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. You'll also need to remove the rear part of the front mudguard. Unscrew the screw using a T20 Torx socket. Remove the holding clips using a fork. You can now take off the mudguard. You now have access to the ABS sensor cable. From the top of the vehicle, slide your hand over the ABS sensor connector to unclip it from its slot. Then, using a pry bar, remove the rubber sealing. Pull on the cable until you reach the ABS sensor connector. Then disconnect it. Remove the connector from the rubber sealing. Remove the ABS sensor cable from its retaining brackets. Brush the nut holding the ABS sensor's plastic cover in place and spray it with penetrating oil. Unscrew the nut using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Remove the plastic cover. Using a socket wrench and a 13mm socket, unscrew the screw holding the ABS sensor in place. The ABS sensor is very often seized up in its location. Don't hesitate to spray it with degreaser to facilitate its removal. Then try to release it by making gentle back and forth movements. You can also use a flathead screwdriver for leverage. Before installing the new sensor, we recommend that you clean the sensor area thoroughly using fine sandpaper.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Get the new ABS sensor. Insert it into its slot. Then screw it back on. Put the plastic cover back in place. Then screw the nut back on. Clip the ABS sensor cable back into its retaining brackets. Do not hesitate to spray contact cleaner on the connectors. Then pass the connector through the rubber sealing. Then reconnect the sensor. Pass the connector through the bodywork. Put the rubber sealing back in place. Clip the ABS sensor cable connector back on. Put the mudguard back in. Replace the holding clips. Screw the screws back in. You can then put the vehicle wheel back in place and lower your car to the ground, not forgetting to fully fix the wheel in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.